Hi, how are you? Today, let me take you to Bemwa Farm. So this is located in Buda, Mailog District, Davao City. Until 5. They also have their own products and snacks. So yummy, and they have fresh vegetables. And the farm is so big. They have fresh harvest here, lettuce. They have vegetables, ampalaya, carrot, lettuce. Look at that, guys. They have monstera plants for sale. This is the farm, guys. They have different kinds of vegetables. This is so huge. So guys, you can tour the farm, and they also have strawberries here. It depends on the seasons, I guess. I went here with my cousins, lolas, fun guys, and they have beautiful flowers, colorful color.
Ginalungkot na lang yung ano.
You can buy plants, flowers, vegetables here. That is my family, guys. They are playing. Bye!